Welcome to Sreelaya's channel. Today's recipe is a quick and easy fried gram chutney. So let's get started. You'll need a handful of coconut, 10 tablespoons of fried gram, 4 pods of garlic, 2 green chilies and salt to taste. Blend it well to a fine paste and set it aside. In a tadka pan or a frying pan, heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add a teaspoon of mustard seeds, and once they stop spluttering, add a handful of curry leaves. Transfer the tadka to the chutney, give it a good mix, and enjoy a delicious chutney. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and click that magic bell icon because that will tell you when my new videos are up. God bless you and have a wonderful day.